India is the third largest consumer of alcohol in the world, and more than 30% of India's population actually drinks. And you would have noticed over the past 2 years, a number of gin brands have come up. Why? Because in the last year, every single day in India, more than 1 lakh bottles of gin were sold. It is one of the fastest growing category. And all of these gin companies are actually catering to one customer segment. It is millennials in their 30s earning a high disposable income living in Gurgaon and Mumbai. Not in Bangalore, because Bangalore people cannot even afford high premium priced alcohol because the state taxes on alcohol in Karnataka state are really high. So these gin companies are actually marketing companies who focus on a fancy label, fancy flavors, but they get in touch with distillers and bottles to actually procure and manufacture the gin for them. These people just build social media buzz by creating a fancy product and a brand story, and then work on distribution and working capital management, which is where lies the moat in the alcohol business. Goa is one of the best states to start this business from because the regulatory requirement is actually the least. Now, what they sell in the market for about 3,000 rupees, 50% of it goes into state taxes and excise. Of the remaining, 40% is your material cost, 20% goes into distribution and marketing, and in the end, you're left with just about 5 to 10% unit economic profit. I've given a lot more details on if you want to enter this business in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.